Hey, it's Cayman with S&B, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a filter on a Can-Am X3. Today we're going to be replacing the filter on this 2018 Can-Am X3, and we're going to be replacing it with part number 66-6005 from S&B Filters. So first, we're choosing to replace it with a dry cleanable filter from S&B, so we can continue to reuse the same filter rather than having to throw it away. Break open the packaging. Go on to the air box here, located right in here in front of the rear shock. We got one clip here, one clip on the top, and then there's another clip back here that you won't be able to see. Pop off those three. Then on the earlier Can-Ams, there's just a yellow locking tab at the top. So here we have the three clamps, but there's also that yellow locking tab at the top. For those applications, just pull the tab back, then rotate it counterclockwise. But here you can just pull it straight out. Get it out of the way, pull the filter out, the stock filter out, inspect it. Doesn't look like there's much dust on this one, but we're going to replace it anyway with the higher flow in S&B. Insert the S&B filter into the box, press it in. Line up the arrows on the lid with the arrows on the box. Fasten the three clamps and you're all set.